Okay. Very pleasant day to all of us teachers. I am teacher Oliver C. Silvano. And again, welcome to my blog. That tutorial that I am going to create right now is all about adding and managing question groups and questions with question types, true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, identification, using Project Digital Quiz Essential. Okay, to start with, we are going to launch the system using the system launcher. Okay, my system launcher is located at the desktop. This one, this is the icon of my system launcher. So to launch the system, we are just going to right click on that icon and then click on open to launch the system. And then we will wait for a while in order for our system to be fully launched. Okay? So right now, we are now in the system dashboard. So as you can see, wag po kayong magtaka kung andito po tayo kaagad sa dashboard, hindi na po tayo dumaan sa kanyang login screen. It's because the last time that I used this application is that hindi po ako nag-log out. The reason is para iwas hassle po yan, no? Kasi pag i-close ko lang po ito, ang gagawin ko pag i-close ko po ito, kagaya nito, so hindi po ako naka-log out. Pag open ko niya the next time, automatic na ando na po ako sa kanyang dashboard. So again, ulitin ko yung pag-open. So, antay lang ng konti para mag-launch yung system. And then, automatically, it will bring me to the dashboard of the system. Okay? So, since ang ituturo ko po sa inyo ay kung paano po tayo gumawa ng quiz na yung question type natin ay true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, and identification using Project Digital Quiz Essentials. So, i-click po natin tong quiz maker. So, ito po yung quiz maker, ito po yung panggawa ng ating quiz. Dito parang madali lang po magawa ng quiz dito, yung mga questions. Kagaya lang din po nung paggawa natin halos doon sa Microsoft Word. Okay? Ang kaibahan lang dito, pa isa-isa. Doon sa Microsoft Word, yun, lahat-lahat na. Okay? So, we will be starting with according to the sequence, no? True or false. So we will create a group of questions which are true or false. So to do that, so paano po siya gawin? Dito po sa question pane natin, sa panel na ito, mayroon po tayong button na nakikita na add exam part. Okay? So i-click po natin. Actually this system has actually 11 types of questions. So as you can see, nakalista po siya dito. Magda-drop down po siya. Ang nakalista po dito ay true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, identification, fill in the blank, word bank, enumeration, sequence, matching type, math, multiple choice, and math identification. Base naman po sa name na yon, alam po natin yung mga teachers kung ano po yung type na question na halimbawa true or false, no? Palagi naman natin yung ginagamit yung true or false. Okay? So, pag gumawa tayo ng questions na true or false, pipiliin lang po natin yung true or false para lalabas po dito sa question pane kung yung part 1 natin. Kasi hindi pa tayo nakapag-add ng part. Okay? So, true or false yung part 1 natin. Pwede dito po siya sa area na ito, lumalabas po dito yung part 1, yung pangalan, part number, and then kung ano po yung type ng part natin. Ito po yung header niya, no? Dito din sa header niya, nakikita yung plus, kung saan pag pipindutin po natin yung plus icon na yan, mag-a-add po siya ng panibagong questions. Okay? And then delete if we are going to delete the whole question group. Okay? And then settings, these are settings pertains to the part to the group. So dito po tayo kung gusto po natin magra-randomize tsaka yung navigation ng parts natin. Ito po yung pipindutin natin para magawa natin kung ano yung gusto natin. Okay? The next icon is all about preview part. Pag gusto po nating i-preview yung part natin, the whole part, hindi po isa-isa yung pag-preview nito. The whole questions on this part will be previewed. Okay? And then sa ibaba, yung direction niya, pwede natin na, hindi na natin yan, we will not edit that one. Hindi natin baguhin. And then, yung sa ibaba, naka-mark po siya, number 1. Ito po yung question natin, number 1. Okay, by default, ito po yung question niya. Choose whether the statement is true or false. And then, selected po siya kaagad. Okay, dito naman sa right side ng ating questions, mayroon po siyang dalawang button. Those are actually action buttons. Okay, we have duplicate. Kapag gusto natin i-duplicate yung questions na yan. Mayroon kasi mga time na i-duplicate natin yung questions para yung settings niya hindi na natin i-reconfigure ulit. Okay? And we have also delete or remove questions. So, i-delete po natin siya sa part ng yung question na yan. Okay? So, since selected po yung first question ng group natin, dito sa kabila, ito naman po yung itong part na to, yung white na area na to, ito po yung tinatawag natin na workspace. So, dito po natin ginagawa yung questions natin for question number 1. So, binabago po natin, dito po yung natin binabago. Ito po yung statement natin, dito po natin binabago yung statement or yung question mismo. Okay? So, subukan natin na mag-create ng, I think, at least 5 questions lang sa part na ito. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko, magka-copy and paste na ako kasi meron naman ako nagawa na true or false questions. So, I think I'm here. Ito po ay quiz na galing sa creative technology ko ng grade 9. So, ito po yung question number 1. Kakopy ko lang po ito. Copy, Control C, and then ipipaste ko siya dito sa statement na yan, statement box na yan. And then ito na po siya. No need to enter number here. Hindi na kailangan na lagyan mo ng number 1 kasi mamaya ira-randomize naman natin yung questions. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magra-random ng questions. Okay? So right after that, pipiliin lang po natin dito sa baba. We have answer here, choices dito sa baba. Dito po yung answer box natin. So the choices are only true and false. And then the answer for that question number 1 is true. So therefore, select ko na po yung true. Anyway, by default, yung true na po kagad yung answer niya. Kung mangyari po na false yung answer niya, papalitan lang po natin, i-click lang po natin yung radio button na corresponds on false. Okay? So, yan. True. Okay. Dito pala sa questions natin, pwede po tayo makapag-add ng picture using this button, this one. So, kiklik lang po natin siya and then hanapin lang po natin yung picture na gusto natin. Let's say for example, meron po ako pictures dito sa pictures and then meron ako halimbawa, this is only an example. So, click lang po yan and then click on open and then magkaroon po siya ng picture na yan. No? Okay, pwede natin siyang i-delete by clicking on this remove icon on the upper corner of the image. Okay? Explain ko lang po sa inyo yung 4 na button sa taas. Ito po yung points. Ito po yung points corresponding sa item na yan. So, halimbawa, ang item na yan, medyo mahirap. Bigyan ko yan ng 2 points. So, dito po yan kinakonfigure. By default, yan po ay 1. Okay? Ito namang isa, penalty. Ang ibig sabihin po yun, pag nagkamali yung student pagsagot, mayroon siyang penalty. So, ito po yung siguro kagaya siya ng right minus wrong. Usually, 0 po siya by start para walang penalty. Pero kung gusto mo umumang penalty, medyo mahirap na yun, no? And then we have time limit. This is per seconds. Time limit for the questions. The question itself. Okay? And then this last icon is for the preview questions. Okay? Pag i-click po natin yan, mapi-preview, makikita po natin kung ano yung preview ng, ano po yung looks ng questions kapag tinitake na siya ng student. Okay? So, pag-try natin, ito po yung preview questions niya, no? So, we have this one. Ito yung questions. And then, ito po yung sagot niya. Kung ano po yung sagot niya? Halimbawa, true or false, and then submit. It will, actually, the system will automatically give feedback. Kung ano po yung sagot niya, tama ba or hindi, no? Pero, mayroon naman tayong chance para i-configure yun para hindi po mag-show yung feedback. So, halimbawa, dito sa gilid, meron po tayong feedback. Kapag correct, ano po yung feedback niya? Sa akin, inilagay ko lang na correct. Pag incorrect naman, nakalagay din siya, by default, incorrect. Okay? And then we had an option, show feedback. Tinatanong niya kung i-show ba yung feedback or hindi. Kaya gagawin lang po natin, kung ayaw natin na mag-show yung feedback, click lang po natin yung no. Okay? So, pag i-preview natin siya dito, click natin tong preview button, and then we will click on true, and then submit. Wala na po siyang feedback mangyayari. Okay? Kasi nga, no yung show feedback. Kapag yes naman, subukan natin ulit, and then click on true, and then submit. Makikita po natin, mayroon siyang feedback na correct. And kung ano po yung nakasulat doon sa feedback natin, yun po ang lalabas. Okay? And then that's okay. And then, I will just close the preview. Okay, now, tapos na akong mag-configure doon sa magawa ng first questions. Then, I need to add another question. So, paano ko yung gawin? So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, we have plus button here or add question button. We will just click on this one para mag-add po siya ng panibagong question. So, pag-click mo yan, magdagdag po siya automatic, naka-number na po yan, number 2. Okay? So, again, choose whether the statement is true or false. So, dito po natin siya uulitin. Ika-copy ko po yung number 2 questions. And then, Control-C and then Control-V. So, it is okay not to close an HTML tag anyway. So, the answer for this one is false. So, and then, points is 1, penalty 0, limit. If I'm going to limit the questions, let's say 40 seconds. And also, for the number 1, we'll also limit 40 seconds. And number 2, babalik ako dito sa number 2 and then i-configure ko siya. Show feedback, still yes, and feedback are correct and incorrect. Okay? No pictures, no? Pati na rin sa choices, pwede tayo makapaglagay ng pictures by using this add picture button. Okay? So, tapos na ako sa number 2, pupunta naman ako sa number 3. Mag-add na naman ako ng panibagong questions. And then, by clicking this icon, and then, ika-copy ko naman yung number 3. Control-C. And then, dito sa statement niya, ilalagay ko dito yung kinopy ko. And then, the answer for this one is a programming language. Hindi po, tama. Mali po yan. The answer is false. And then, points 1, same lang po. Feedback, correct, incorrect, show feedback. And then, that's okay na. Okay na po yung number 3 natin. So, ganun lang po kabilis mag-create ng true or false questions dito. Okay? I will add another. And then, copy number 4 questions. Okay? Highlight and then paste. The content of the page should be written inside the body tag. That is true. So, correct na po yung answer natin. Okay na po yung feedback natin. Kasi gusto ko na pagkasagot ng bata, mayroong feedback agad kung check ba or wrong or mali ba yung sagot nila. Okay? For question number 5. Okay, again, I will copy the question number 5 here. Control-C. And then, Control-A and then to select all and then Control-V para makopy siya. And then, ayusin ko lang ng konti yung text. Okay, title tag, includes the title of this text appear. This one is correct. The answer is correct. So, true lang po siya. Okay? So, ito meron na po akong 5 questions sa isang part which is true or false. Now, in my quiz, I want to add another part which is true or false. And this not true or false again. Multiple choice. So, in here, pabalik ako dito sa add exam part. Mag-add po ako ng part which is multiple choice, and then lalabas po siya dito sa part 2 as part 2 multiple choice. Again, meron naman po siyang plus add button, delete group button, settings, and then we have also the part. Okay? So, for question number 1, meron po siyang number 1 kaagad. Ito na po. This is only a dummy. Dummy na po ito ha. Select the correct answer from the choices below. And we have in here, dito sa mga choices natin, meron po tayong tatlong options. Agad. Pwede naman tayo mag-add ng questions by, options by clicking this add option. Mamaya gagawin po natin yan. Okay? So, gagawin muna natin, papalitan muna natin yung tanong. We will change these questions. Okay? So, balik ako dito sa questions ko. We have part 2, multiple choice. Ito po yung number 1, which tab is. Kakopy ko po yan lahat. And then, papalitan ko dito, Control V. Okay, and then, that one, question mark. Which tag is used for marking. And then, again, ikakopy ko yung mga choices or options dito. So, yan lang po. Ulit-ulit lang po yung gagawin natin. And then, dito na naman, each one. Palitan po lang. Ikakopy natin. Parang may mali. Ulitin natin. Oops, this one. Okay, ayusin ko lang. Kaya talaga niya. Sige. Tatype na lang natin manually. Shift. That one. And then, yan. Each one. And then, let's do some font. Okay, in this case, tatlo lang yung options. So, I need to add another options. So, I will click this add an option button. And then, balik po ako doon sa questionnaire. Pipiliin ko lang po yung HTML na yan. And then, okay. So, basahin ko yung tanong, which tag is used for marking sections and subsections in a document? The answer po of that one is H1. So, ito po yun. Pipiliin natin yung H1. Ganun po magsiset ng answer. Okay. Dito pala, sa choices natin, pwede po tayo makapag-pili ng, makapag-insert ng equations, mathematical equations, gamit ang keyboard na to. So, dito po siya. Kapag pure equation na po yung options natin, of course, i-delete po natin yung choices natin dito. Pwede rin po na picture. Mag-add lang po tayo ng picture. Say, for example, niyan, and then, this one, and then, open. Makikita po natin na meron po siyang options niya na picture, no? Kagaya din sa questions natin, mayroon din po siyang equation, mayroon din po siyang add picture. Okay, if we try to preview this one, by clicking this preview button, ito po yung itsura niya. So, you can see, meron po siyang picture yung option number 2 natin. Okay? So, pero hindi pa tayo tapos mag-configure ng questions natin. At kung mapapansin ninyo, meron din po tayong add condition dito sa bandang gitna. Ito po ay kagaya ng mga examinations na kagaya ng LET exams na mayroon po siyang conditions. Condition number 1, condition number 2, condition number 3, and then the choices are answers 1 and 2, 2 and 3, only 1, only 2. I think you are familiar with that one. Ito po yun, ginagamit natin. Mag-add po tayo, pwede po tayong mag-add ng multiple choice with conditions. Ito po, dito po siya ginagawa. Okay? And then, punta po tayo dito sa random options. By default, naka-no po siya. Gagawin po natin siyang yes. Kasi nga, para ira-randomize niya yung choices niya. And then, again, feedback. Correct, and then show feedback. So, if we try to preview the questions, makikita po natin na naka-randomize po yung mga choices natin. So, as you can see, ang una ay body. Ang body dito ay nasa pangatlo. Okay, dito naman, H1. Okay, again, H1 nandyan na sa number 2. Font, number 1 na siya. And then HTML, number 4. Nira-randomize po niya yan kagad. Okay? So, ganun po ang multiple choice. Siguro, for demonstration purposes, gagawa lang din po ako ng up to 5 items multiple choice. Kasi pupunta pa tayo, mag-create pa tayo ng multiple response and then identification questions. Okay? So, paano po yung gawin? Magkiklik lang po ako ng plus icon na yan para mag-add po panibagong questions. And then, pupunta po ako dito sa question number 2 na to. Kakopy ko lang po yan. Copy, Control C, and then we'll change this one. Replace this one with the one that I copied. And then the options, we have body tag. Change that option number 1 into body tag. Copy and paste. Ang ginagawa ko dito ay copy and paste lang po. Copy and paste. Okay? Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Or I can right click this one maybe. Maybe. Hindi. Kailangan talaga Control V. Control V. And then, pangatlong choice. Ito na naman. Pangatlong choice. HTML. Option number 3. And then, for fourth option, letter D, I have to add option and then palitan ko yung option number 4. The answer for this one is HTML. Puro body. Lahat body lang pala yung nakakopy. So, ulitin natin. H1. So, we'll try. Control C. And then, papalitan natin, gawin natin, yan. Suwa na siya. Then, another one, the HTML tag. Control C. And then, that's the HTML tag. And then, we have the font tag. Normally po, hindi ko po siya nilalagyan ng A, B, C, D, or whatever identifier. Kasi nga po, i-randomize ko po yung options. Kaya ang mangyayari, mababaliwala po yun kung maglalagay tayo ng letters dyan, A, B, C, D for the options. Okay? So the answer for this one is HTML. Kaya ito po yung pipiliin ko, HTML. Okay? And then, randomize option, yes. And then, again, yes. Okay? Ngayon, sa pag-add ng questions, gagamitin ko po itong duplicate para i-duplicate po niya yung question number 2. At saka itong question number 3, pipiliin ko po yan. Ito po yung papalitan ko ng questions. So, punta po ako dito. I will copy the question number 3. And then copy. And then I will pasting it here. Okay, paste na po siya. Tapos, i-copy ko po yung H1 to H6. H1 to H6. The biggest font size. Let's say, for example, that one. H1, I think H1. Papalitan ko na lang po ito lahat ng kinopya ko kasi puro naman H tag yung kailangan dyan. Let's say H2. And then, this should be closed by H2 also. And then, let's say, for example, H3. And then, this one is also H3. The answer for this one is H1. Okay? So again, I will copy the same na po yun. Okay na po yung feedback natin, pati yung mga points natin kasi nga nakakopya na yun. By the way, dito nga pala, nagsiset pala ako ng time limit. So, isiset ko to lahat ng time limit. Bigyan ko po sila ng 40 each questions. 40 seconds is 40 seconds. Mahaba na po yun. Mahaba na po yun para sa estudyante yung 40 seconds. Okay, dito naman, multiple choice, 40 seconds din yung gagamitin natin dyan. Also, this one, 40 seconds. Huwag na po natin itong kalimutan kasi para okay na po yung time limit natin. Okay? So, again, I will copy that number 3. So, makikita natin, magkakaroon po siya ng number 4 and then, copy ko na lang po ulit yung number 4 questions. Dito naman, smallest down na tab. Font size, the answer for that one is H6. Okay na po yung time limit natin. 40, random options, and then feedback. So, copy ko lang ulit. Punta na naman ako sa number 5 dito. Ika-copy ko na to. Which tag that displays horizontal line. Okay, pagbabago na ng konti. Okay. Copy that one. And then, yung choices niya, I tag, we have the HR, we have the I tag, and then HR daw, HR tag, we have HR, And then, ano pa yun? We have BR and B. BR. BR. BR tag. Actually, ito, ganito po siya. Slash. So this one. Okay, and then, B tag, which is the bold. B tag. Okay. The answer for this one is BR. So I will select this radio button. Okay. So that is question number 5. Okay na yung time limit natin kasi nga nag-duplicate lang tayo ng questions. Pati na rin sa random options niya and then feedback. Okay. So I think we're done with part 2 question, multiple choice type of questions. Okay, ngayon, punta naman tayo doon sa add exam part. Dito po sa multiple response. Ito po yung multiple response. Lalabas po siya dito. Hindi po ako nakapag-create ng multiple response. Kaya gagawa na ako on the spot na multiple response. Okay. So, dito sa questions box na to, papalitan po natin yung questions. Let's say, for example, select. Okay. Select the 4. Alright. For example, basic math operations from the choices below. Ito po yung questions natin. Choices natin, ito na po siya. Let's say for example, the correct answer is addition. Second correct answer is subtraction. And third correct answer is multiplication. And then I'm going to add another option kasi tatlo lang siya. And then the correct answer is division. So ito po yung basic or fundamental mathematics operations, no? And then mag-add lang po tayo ng another options. Let's say for example, apat din. Apat, and then ilalagay ko lang dito ay option 1, option A lang, option A. Dito naman option B. Dito rin isa option C, and then option D. So these options are the incorrect answer, and ito naman yung nasa itaas ay correct answer. Ang gagawin na po natin, i-check po natin kung ano po yung mga correct answer. So i-check po natin yung corresponding checkbox. Okay? And in here, ganun pa rin po. Points, penalty, time limit, and then we have also random options. I-randomize po natin siya, of course. Yes. And then, score by. Ano ba? Paano ba siya i-score? By questions or by answer? Kung by questions, dapat satisfied po lahat kung ano po yung answer. Kung yung apat na yan ay answer, yun po yung dapat naka-check. Yun po dapat i-check ng student natin. Kapag by answer naman, any answer na makukorek yung student natin, i-count po niya yan as 1. Dito po siya mag-base sa points na yan. Okay? And then, limit answers. Ito po, halimbawa, delimit na po natin yung answers na yung iba kasi gagawin nila, check na lahat. Hindi po pwede yun. Okay? Kailangan po natin i-limit yung answers niya. Pwede rin naman na hindi na tayo maglilimit ng answers. Hindi po natin to i-check. Kung ilan po yung naka-check dito, yun na po yung maximum limit of takers answers. So, ito na po yun. So, normally hindi ko na po ito ginagamit. Okay? And then, show feedback, yes. Okay na po yan. So, if we try to preview the questions, ito po yung mangyayari. So, as you can see, naka-randomize naman po siya. So, pipiliin lang po ng user, ng taker kung ano po yung tamang sagot. Let's for example, division, addition. Anyway, this is by answer, ha. Ang mangyayari dito, perfecto, magiging 4 points ang bata. I-click ko tong submit, and then it will state that all answers are correct. Okay? And then, click lang po natin yung okay, and then, cross po natin yung preview, and then, okay na. So, yun po yung multiple response. Okay? So, punta naman tayo sa identification. So, alam naman natin kung ano yung identification na malimit na ito. Ginagamit natin to sa mga examinations natin. Ginagawa natin to dictation or in a paper examinations. Okay? So, we're going to just click on this menu, identification, and dito sa ibaba, create po siya ng, gagawa po siya ng part, ito no, number 4 na ito, no? Type in. Ito po type in ay identification. So mamaya makikita po natin kung ano po yung type na identification. Paano po siya binabrowse or tinitake. Okay? So same pa rin po. Mayroon siyang add questions button, delete group, part settings, preview part. Mamaya titingnan po natin kung ano po itong iba na to, yung delete part settings at saka preview part. Okay? Dito muna tayo sa questions number 1. So, ito po yung type your response in the field below. Ito po yung questions natin. Ito po yung answers natin. Okay? Again, meron po siyang equation. Pwede tayo makapag-create ng equations and makapaglagay ng equations. And meron din po tayong add picture. So, pwede rin po tayo makapag-add ng picture. Mag-example tayo kung may picture. Halimbawa, this one. And then that one. So, we will create the questions for this one. Identify the picture at the ano ba yan, right or left? At the right. Okay, at the right. Okay, so the answer is let's example HDD. Okay, kapag meron po tayong considerations, let's for example add acceptable answer. Let's for example hardest drive. So, pwede yan. Mag-add po tayo. So, kung alin po yung isasagot ng bata, HDD or hardest drive, tatanggapin po yan ng system natin. At i-count po niya yan as correct answer. Okay? Dito naman tayo sa mga buttons niya, configurations. Same pa rin po. Points, penalty, time limit, and then preview. Subukan natin yung preview. Pag-click ng preview, ito po yun. So, identify the picture at the right. Ito po yung picture sa right side natin. And dito po yun natin isasagot yung answer natin. We have HDD. And if you are going to submit that one, click on submit and it is correct. Okay? Try natin yung isa. Hard disk drive. Okay? And then submit mo natin and then that's correct again, no? Kasi nga nakikita po siya dito. Okay? So punta naman tayo dito sa ibaba na mga buttons na to. Tinatanong niya case sensitive. Ang ibig sabihin nun, pag case sensitive siya, pag yes, ibig sabihin, kung paano po yung pagkasulat nito, halimbawa, kung capital letter siya, it should be capital letter. Strict po siya. Kapag yes yung ilalagay natin dito, ha? Hindi no. Kapag yes, ito po, strict po siya. Kung capital letter, capital letter. Kung small letter, small letter. Kasi pag mali, halimbawa, ito ay capital letter, ang nasulat ng bata ay HDD, mali na po yan agad. No? Yun po ang case sensitive na yes. Pero kung no, ito po yung no, wala po siya pakialam. Whatever the case of the letters. It would be a small letter or a capital letter. Okay. Again, feedback, ganun na rin po. Correct or incorrect. And show feedback, yes or ano. So, by default, naka-yes po siya. Naka-yes po siya by default. Okay. So, we will add another type-in questions by clicking on this add questions. And then, navigate. Babalik po ako dito. I think meron po akong mga part 3 dito. Type-in. Ito na po yung part 3 ko. So, i-copy. Gagawa lang po ako ng 5 questions. Okay? Again, andito po ako sa number 2. Makikita ko po sa part na ito na number 2 po siya sa type in. Lalagay ko po siya. Papadayan ko po yung question na yan. Gagawin kong, write HTML tag. What HTML tag is used to cover the entire page? I think that is HTML tag. Okay, cancel. Sorry. So, yan. HTML. Type na po natin siya. HTML. HTML. Ito po yung tag na to. HTML. Okay. For number 2, ganun din po. Add questions. Number 3, hindi number 2. For number 3, again, Copy ko lang din po ito. And then, Control A, Control V. And then, the answer for that one ay, gagawin ko lang dito kung ano po yung answer number 2. Title po. Title, tag, ano. And then, nilalagay ko siya dito sa answer box. Ano. Title. Okay, number 4, again, add questions. And then, balik dun sa question. Question number. And then, copy ko siya dyan. And then, go for the answer. Answer, that's for number 3, attributes or attribute. So, lagay ko siya dito. So, dalawa yung answer niya, attributes or attribute. Okay, and then add acceptable, another, and attribute. So, ito po, ito-consider ko po kung may S or walang S. And then for number 5, add again questions, another for number 5. And then, so this one, what attribute? All, I think this is ordered list. Copy ko lang po. And then, yung sagot niya, type. Type daw. So, type ko na lang. Mas mabilis pa. Okay? Type. Again, case sensitive. Hindi po siya case sensitive. No lang po. And then, yes, yung feedback. And then, bibigyan ko yung time limit niya na 40 seconds. Mabilis na po. Tama na po yung 40 seconds. Also, this one. Time limit is 40 seconds. Minsan kasi nakaligtaan ko to. Kaya, dinodouble check ko to palagi before administering my examinations. Time limit. Usually, nagbibigay po ako ng time limit talaga to counter cheating. Para hindi po mag-cheat yung, walang time mag-cheat yung student ko. Okay? So, again, dito po sa multiple response, ganun din. Bibigyan ko rin po siya ng 40 seconds na time limit. Okay? Sa multiple choice, this one multiple choice, tingnan ko lang kung merong time limit. Okay, time limit lahat, meron din. Okay, for the part 1, okay, meron din siya. Okay, meron na siyang time limit lahat. Okay. Ngayon po, mag-a-add po ako ng panibagong part. So, for example, ang pang-limang part ay multiple choice. Yan. So, sa kamali ako, ang gusto ko ay i-delete ko yung part na yun kasi mali. Diba? So, gagawin ko, pipindutin ko lang po itong delete group. So, pag click ng delete group, tatanungin niya, are you sure you want to delete this part? Just click on delete and then it will be deleted. Wala na po siya. Dito, part. Okay? Sa settings naman, ito po yung function ng button na ito. Sa settings naman, ito yung part settings natin. Dito po yung question poll natin. So, include all questions from the group. Hindi po siya naka-randomize. Okay. Ang ginagawa ko dito, ito talaga. Nagsiselect po ako ng random questions and then 5 out of 5. Ibig sabihin, i-randomize niya po yung lahat ng questions na yun. Okay? Navigation, ito lang din po yung ginagamit ko. Submit one question at a time. And then, allow user to postpone questions. Hindi na. Kasi defeated yung random questions kapag mag-allow ako na. Kapag pwede makapag-postpone ng questions yung user. Okay? Ito namang panghuli, preview part. Pag i-click natin to, ipi-preview po niya yung buong part. So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, halimbawa dito, kung dito kayo mag-click, isang questions lang yung na-preview natin. Pero kapag dito, lahat ng questions sa group na yan, mapabrowse nyo. Halimbawa, it is not okay to close an HTML tag. Okay? So, as you can see, meron siyang time limit to answer. And then, let's say, for example, false, then submit, and then it will tell the student if it is correct or incorrect. Okay? So, another questions, the content of the page should be written inside the body tag. Let's say, for example, it's true. Okay, that's correct again. HTML tags enclose the entire web page. Let's say, for example, false, and that is incorrect. Okay? And then ito, nakikita po natin yung score niya. Kikita rin po natin yung kung ano yung points, ilan din yung penalty. Okay? So, let's say, for example, false, and then submit, and then that is correct. And then, title tag, let's say true, and then correct. And then, I think that is the last the last questions for the group. So, yan po. Lahat lang po ng questions dito, ipipreview niya. Okay? Pero itong part number 2, hindi po niya ipipreview yan. Kasi yung part lang ng part 1, yun lang ang ipipreview niya. Okay? So, ganoon din po dito sa part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay? So, ito po yung remove questions na yan. Halimbawa, pag ipindutin ko yan, i-remove niya yung number 2 na yan. Okay? Yung corresponding questions na yan. I-delete niya yan. So, let's say, for example, click ko yan, and then, are you sure you want to delete? Let's say, for example, okay, and then it will be deleted. 4 na lang po yung part 1 questions natin. So, yun po. Ganon po yung pag add and manage ng questions groups and questions with the following question types: true or false, multiple choice, multiple response, and identification. I hope that you will learn you learn something in this tutorial, and I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and God bless.